Hey, RJ, that's a lot of puzzle.
Oh, hey, Joe. Yeah, it's 1,000 pieces.
Well, can I take 2 minutes from your lunch break to ask you a couple of questions?
Oh, of course, mate, you can.
Great. All right, let's start with an easy one. What do you do?
Oh, I'm a project engineer in the signaling team here at John Holland, working on the Beaverham to Nambour Stage 1 project.
Excellent. You studied to be a civil engineer, right?
Oh, yes, I did. I was fascinated with the infrastructure and construction development around me. That gave me a chance to get into it.
Excellent. Now you're specializing in signaling. Tell me how that came about.
Rail always intrigued me when I was studying, and transportation systems give me an opportunity to understand how they work. It's just not about trucks and trains, it's about feasibility and safety. Coming into this opportunity, I got to know that signaling is a very crucial aspect of rail transportation that allows us a seamless system.
Okay.
And here I am.
Great. Well, we're obviously in the office today, but do you get to spend much time on the project side?
Oh, yes, I do. At this stage, this project is in a design phase, so I'm doing 2 days from site and 3 days from the office.
Okay, and what's one thing you love about the office?
Oh, the collaborative environment. I got people with skills and knowledge around me, which I can tap into to understand my issues and challenges that I have to face in the project.
Okay, and what's one thing you love about visiting the project site?
The project site gives me an opportunity to firsthand see the development on the field itself and allows me to resolve any issues and challenges that we have on site.
Excellent. So you've been working in rail for over 4 years. What is it about rail that keeps you engaged?
Rail has a unique blend of innovation and challenges. With the continuous development of technology and systems, there's a new thing to learn every day and a new thing to work on every day.
That's cool. Is there a moment that makes you really proud?
Oh, yes, definitely. My first project, the yard that I did as a signaling engineer, and the first test train that rocked up in there just gave me the proud moment I'll ever have.
That's so good. All right, lastly, what advice would you give your 20-year-old self?
For my 20-year-old self, I'll encourage them to look into the opportunities in rail sooner than what I did right now and learn the trades and education qualification to be a good rail engineer.
Cool. Well, sadly, that's every question I've got. I'll let you get back to your puzzle.
No, good job. See you later.
Catch you, RJ.